What is an augmented estate? Have you ever wondered how a surviving spouse can protect their rights to a deceased partner's assets? One key concept in estate planning is the augmented estate. This term refers to the total value of a deceased person's estate that is considered when calculating what a surviving spouse can claim as their elective share. This often includes more than just what is in the probate estate. So, what exactly is included in an augmented estate? First, it comprises the net probate estate. This is the property that goes through the probate process after deducting expenses such as funeral costs and any claims against the estate. Next, it includes nonprobate transfers. These are assets that were transferred to the surviving spouse or others during the deceased lifetime, like gifts or property held in joint tenancy. In some cases, the surviving spouse's own property and nonprobate transfers may also be considered. This is important because it ensures that a spouse cannot be disinherited by transferring assets to others before death. The augmented estate helps protect the financial interests of the surviving spouse. Now, why is calculating the augmented estate so important? One reason is to prevent disinheritance. If a deceased person gives away significant assets before passing, the augmented estate calculation ensures that the surviving spouse still has a claim to a fair share. Another reason is to adjust the elective share if the spouse already received substantial assets. If a surviving spouse has already been given significant property through gifts or other means, the elective share may be modified accordingly. The elective share itself is a statutory right that allows a surviving spouse to claim a portion of the augmented estate, regardless of what the deceased will states. The percentage of the share varies by state law. For example, if a will leaves everything to children but the deceased transferred valuable assets to others, the augmented estate includes those transfers. This means the surviving spouse can claim their share based on this larger estate value, which helps protect their rights. Understanding the augmented estate is essential for anyone involved in estate planning, especially for elder law attorneys. It ensures that spousal rights are preserved while balancing the intentions of the deceased. This concept is particularly relevant in blended families or situations where a deceased person may have tried to bypass spousal rights through gifts or trusts. In summary, the augmented estate plays a vital role in estate planning and elder law. It helps ensure that surviving spouses are treated fairly and that their rights are protected, while also considering the wishes of the deceased.